In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix League of Legends failing to launch on your MacBook. So the first thing you're going to do is launch Riot Games and then click on your profile picture. Go to Settings, League of Legends, and then press Repair. Start Repair. So the next thing you can try is holding Command, Option and Escape. And if you have League of Legends here, you can now click on it and force quit. You can also try do the same with the Riot client. If you're still having issues with the game, it may not be in your applications folder. To do this, you just need to go into Finder, go to Applications, and find the League of Legends app. So if you click on it, you can see down here the path it takes. It is in the applications folder, so we're all good. If you want to put it in the applications folder, you can just copy it, go to Applications, and then right click on a blank space, and then just press Paste Item. If you followed all these steps, your game should now launch. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.